Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook. So a quick announcement: from next week onwards, I am going to be taking a break from the daily market outlooks as the market is becoming more and more ugly towards the end of the year. So what I'm going to be focusing on is mainly educational content on this channel each and every single day. So don't worry, I'm not leaving, but we're just going to switch up the daily market outlooks for educational content. So just so you guys know. So if you have any suggestions for educational content, make sure to leave a message down below in the comment section and I'll try and make a video on that topic. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, so the dollar index has been moving down lower for now. Looking at the 4 hour, 4 hours just correcting down in towards lows. We still have 4 hour bullish swing structure from here into, let me see, why isn't it drawing? From here into here. So this essentially is all just the correction from this overall impulse. So what we could be doing is simply just forming a potential channel or wedge before, for instance, moving up higher for now. But I do think that, remember guys, we are still inside of that weekly range, so we could start correcting. It doesn't need to happen that we form that channel or wedge, or at least that ascending channel or wedge. You guys know that we are inside of this weekly range, which is weekly supply. So now looking at the 4 hour, the 4 hour could just start tanking down lower. Of course, this is a swing low over here of the pullback structure, so either we're going to see a fake out on that low and then a further push up higher, or what I'm going to be waiting for is for this low to get broken and then I'm going to be shorting the dollar index further back down towards this trend line. It all kind of depends on how we react to this low over here. So pretty simple, just going to be focusing on this wick over here. So with the dollar index discussed, let's head over to Aussie Dollar. And Aussie Dollar saw a beautiful fake out on the range low over here, looking for further upside from Aussie Dollar today, at least back up in towards the top side of the range over here. So that is essentially it. Not that much of a complicated analysis, just going to be looking out for this level over here of 0.71409. So that's Aussie Dollar. Let's head over to Euro Dollar. And Euro Dollar guys, so expecting some more upside today from Euro Dollar. Main focus is on this high over here. We have some supply located inside of that high over here at around 1.13668. So focus on that level for now. Let's see if we reject that level. If we do start rejecting that level, then we have a 1, 2, 3, and then we have beautiful channel maturement. And then we could start seeing further downside. If we do not form any resistance over here, my next stop is going to be this area of supply at around 1.145. So that's Euro Dollar for you. Let's head over to Pound Dollar. And Pound Dollar, expecting more upside today. I am bullish on Pound Dollar for now. As you guys can see, we broke out of the trend line, grabbed more liquidity, and are now starting to push up higher from this area of demand. Not very strong demand, but it is demand. So expecting more upside. Let's just see if we can break this area of resistance where we're currently starting to come into. This is our main area of resistance. There's also just a bit of supply located over there, but expecting it to break and to push up higher. So that's Pound Dollar. Let's head over to Kiwi Dollar. And Kiwi Dollar also still located inside of that demand zone. If you look at the 1 hour, what you'll see forming is a beautiful expanding pattern, or this lower trend line over here getting respected. I'm not a big fan of those expanding patterns, so I would rather just copy this lower trend line and place it up above on top. And then what you guys can see is that we have this nice descending channel and just waiting for it to break up higher potentially. Doesn't need to happen, but it is kind of what I'm going to be focusing on. We have some supply located over here, kind of the same as on Aussie Dollar. So I'm going to see if we form resistance over here, but preferably I would want to see a break of structure over here at this area of resistance, as we can then trade with that daily area of demand up higher. Let's say we do fill this area of demand and we look at the imbalance candles, then we should start moving in towards this region down below over here. And this is around 0.66951. So that's Kiwi Dollar. And now let's go to our last pair, which is gold. And gold guys, expecting more upside today. I am bullish. I am looking for longs on gold. Just have to see if we can get any entries. Looking for some entries just a little bit lower. Let's see if we still pull back. Kind of have this descending wedge over here. which we have been breaking out of for now. So I am expecting further upside. Furthermore, we have been moving, if we look at the daily, from this area of daily demand, and we're also located in weekly demand. So I am looking for those buys on gold. I just have to see if we can get a lower time frame entry today. We'll be sending out a signal in the VIP community if I get my entry confirmation. So yeah, that's it for gold from my side. Just going to be waiting for further upside. First area of resistance is of course this area over here. So let's see if we can break that soon. So yeah, that's it for gold, guys. If we move down lower, look for entries up higher. To push up higher. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to join the free Discord community, link in the description down below. And if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks, guys.